Hello to all, welcome to the channel Mani's Gate Tech Vision. In this lecture, I am going to solve some of the GATE 2022 problems in the discipline of electrical engineering from the subject electric circuits. This is the second lecture for the GATE problems 2022. In the first lecture, I have solved two problems. You can go through that. So let me solve the problem. This is the problem number 3. Already two problems I had solved in the previous lecture. You can view that lecture series also. I will read out the problem. The network shown below has a resonant frequency of 150 kHz and a bandwidth of 600 Hz. The Q factor of the network is dash, round off to nearest integer. So for the given network, they have given the resonant frequency and a bandwidth. We need to find out the Q factor of this network. The question is taken from the topic resonance. So this is one of the easiest problem. Directly we can solve it. Resonant frequency FR is given as 150 kHz and bandwidth is given as 600 Hz. So with the given resonant frequency and bandwidth, we can find out the quality factor easily. We know the formulation of Q factor, which is equal to the ratio of resonant frequency to the bandwidth. So here two values are given. So directly we can substitute that values. So 150 kHz is 150 into 1000 by 600. So if we simplify for that, so Q factor equal to 250. So we solved for Q factor of the network. Q factor of the network is 250. The answer is 250. So this is one of the easiest problem. Let me move on to the next problem. I'll read out the problem. An inductor having this is also Q factor problem only. An inductor having a Q factor of 60 is connected in series with the capacitor having a Q factor of 240. The overall Q factor of the circuit is dash, round off to nearest integer. So for the inductance and capacitors, they have given the Q factor, individual Q factor 60 and 60 for inductor and 240 for capacitor. We need to find out the overall Q factor of the given circuit. Okay. So here one formulation is there. The topic is resonance. One formulation is there. Factor equal to QL QC by QL plus QC. Okay. QL plus QC. So with this formulation, we can find out the answer for the overall Q factor of the circuit. QL equal to 60, it is given. QC equal to 240. Substituting two quality factor of inductance and capacitance in this formulation, we can find the overall Q factor equals 60 into 240 by 60 plus 240. So we know 60 plus 240 is 300. So it can be simplified as 60 into 240 by 300. So here it can be simplified to 48. Okay, the two zeros get cancelled and 24 into 6 by 3. So 3 and 6 will get cancelled and it will become 2. 2 into 24, 48. So overall Q factor of the given LC circuit is 48. We have found out as 48. Answer is 48. This is also one of the easiest problem given in the electrical paper of GATE 2022. This is Mani's Gate Tech Vision. This is the channel for engineering competitive examinations. You can subscribe to my channel. You can view the lecture series regularly. It will be helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching the video.